This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for November 10th, 2022. It's currently October 7th, 2022, 12:40 a.m. That's Eastern Time. Excuse me. So the overall theme and behavior is a failed attempt to break through key resistance, followed by a decline through key support. That's on a one-day chart. What's important to point out is that earlier in the week we had the theme card. On the 8th we had the same theme card. And also we're seeing the Ace of Cups in the trade position. Ace of Cups was in the high position but nullified. And we have a Princess of Swords here. Could be similar to the Ace of Swords here. So we open lower. There's a notable decline in the pre-market right around the open in the midst of a move higher through resistance level and a decline, full retracement back down through that same price level. I'm advised to open up some protection. The high is right around the open. There's a notable move higher in the right around the open, and then we have a retracement, and then there's volatility between 10 and 11, where we have a failed attempt to break through key resistance somewhere between 10 and, let's say, between 10 and 12, probably somewhere around 11:10, 11:05. Matter of fact, probably there's a high there, probably closer to 11:45-ish. We have kind of a flattening out along resistance, and then there's sideways rotation along a support level. So we may turn it into support just for a little bit, traveling sideways there. Sideways rotation along support midday, and then a U-shaped dip. May not be a big one, but a U-shaped dip roughly between 1 and 2. Then there's a big move to the upside between 2 and 3. We push the upper end of a range a little higher. There's 3 pokes through the same price level in the last hour, and after that third poke, there's a notable decline. There's some deception right around the close. We have selling from near overbought territory on RSI at the close. And in the post-market, it looks like there's a pretty big move to the upside as well. We open higher the following day. I'm advised not to expect too big of a move higher. And it's important. So this deception, whatever this is going on over here, this will be significant, guys. Because it shows up in almost the exact same place at the end of the day on the 10th. We have the exact same ruin in the exact same position at the end of the day on the 10th on the 1-month overview. So that'll be some significant, a fake out. Sometimes it's actually it's probably spoken deception, some sort of speech or something to do with law or regulation. Right around the close. So look out for something significant there being spoken, and don't trust. I won't be trusting that. I'm also going to advise that this high that we have kind of midday in the midst of some volatility here around that resistance level. That high or crest or what have you, that failed attempt to break through key resistance there. That's a price level that's a good mean point as well for a straddle or a strangle, and it may very well be the same price as the Ace, somewhere that we had on the 9th, or not. We'll have to see. But that's the November 10th, 2022 prediction. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends. It really helps out the channel. And even more importantly, what helps out the channel, following that rule of karma, my friends, pay a little bit of that profit back, just a little bit. Make sure that you keep the channel flowing for all the free content. We put out 91 videos in the last 30 days, my friends. 91 free videos. And with that said, make sure you're paying a little bit of it forward. Keep that flow going through the universe. Most importantly, make sure you spend it out of love. If you spend it out of love, the universe will send it back to you tenfold in all directions. My friends, I'll see you on the next one.